Hello, children and families. How are you? I hope you're really good. Today I'm bringing another book in English, and it's about two girls that they are somewhere and they are doing something, and yeah, let's see if they like it or not. Uh, Remember, you can look at the front page and try to guess what is going to be the story about. And then also remember in every single page to have a look at the main characters. What are they doing? How are they feeling? Where are they? All these things. And yeah, I recommend this book for children between 3 and 6 years old. And let's start. I hope you like it. Chunu and Munu read. The author Chandas Manadar, illustrator Abin Shrestha, and translator Stephanie Way. Let's start. Chunu and Munu are reading in a library. Chunu, look at this boy spinning around. This picture is so nice. Munu, look at these red blossoming flowers. Chunu, look at these beautiful butterflies with different colored wings. In the library, there are books with wonderful pictures here, there, and everywhere. Chunu, read this. It is a book filled with songs. Munu, please tell me a story. Please tell me a story that touches the heart. Come, Chunu, let's sit together. You take one book, and I will take another one. Let us read together. Oh, what is this? A dog and a rabbit going to school. Look at this bear sitting on a chair. He has warm eyes. I will tell you a story. Which one do you want to listen to? A story about a rabbit or a dog? Tell me a story with lots of art and pictures. I'm so happy to be at the library. I will come here every day to read books. Sunu, let's take some books home where we can also enjoy reading them. Books can be our friends. Let's read books. Let's love books. The end. So, who are the main characters? What are their names? Where are they? What are they doing? Are they enjoying or are they happy? Are they sad? Are they nervous? Let's try to think about all these, okay? And I hope you like it. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Take care.